Hi, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some super duper cute crochet junk leg warmers. So the junk charms are optional. I thought they were so cute and personal when I added them. So let's get into it. First, we're going to start off by chaining 42 chains. So for your leg warmers, you really want to do as many chains long as you want your desired length to be. I was going for an ankle slouch look, and so when I tested it out, I came up with the chain of 42, but please add as many or as least as you want. Once we finish with the chain, the following steps are super easy and repetitive, and so I pray that you guys have fun and that your leg warmers come out super duper cute. Back to the video. Now that we have the desired length that we want, chains of 42, we're going to double crochet into the third chain. So that would be chain 40. We're going to place one double crochet into the back side of that chain stitch. And now we're going to repeat by putting one double crochet into the back side of each chain. I'll meet you guys at the end. We made it here at the end where we're going to place our last double crochet into the last chain, and that should be chain number 40. Now we're going to chain 2 to start our next round, turn our work, and we're only working into the back loops of the crochet stitches, the back post loops. So this loop right here, we're only going to place our double crochets there. So we're going to repeat the pattern by placing one double crochet into the back loops only, all the way down into the end of the round. We have made it to the end of our round. We're going to place our last double crochet into the last previous stitch from the round. Here you can see the pattern starting to form ridges, and so we're going to repeat the same pattern until we get our desired length. We're going to chain 2, and then we're going to work 1 double crochet into the back ridges. I did a total of 22 rounds to achieve my desire of comfortability. Please do as many or as least rounds for your desired fit. I'll meet back in with you guys once I have completed the 22 rounds total. Now I have my desired fit of 22 rows. So now I'm going to flip the inside out. So whatever side that I want to be facing outward, I'm going to make sure that I flip that inward. This is only to weave the 2 pieces together, and so there will be no harsh lines at the end. So once you found what side you want to be outside, you flip that inside out, and now we're going to start stitching the 2 pieces closed together. Once you make it to the very end, you're going to chain 1, cut your yarn, and then pull your tail end through. From there, you will then tie your loose ends together, and you will prepare to weave them through the previous stitches that we just did. Always making sure to tie at least 2 knots. Here you can weave your tail end back and forth. There's also an option to add a brim to your project. However, I chose not to, but there where my hands was just showing, I would typically go around with 1 single crochet, and then I would chain 2, and I would go around with 1 double crochet into the very end, and I would slip stitch, cut off my yarn, and weave the tail end. But for this video, I chose not to do the brim. Projects like this are very personal and fun to do because you can customize them to anybody's size, your friends, your mom, your sister, yourself. And projects like this make it very personal and cherishable. Voila! Now you have officially completed your leg warmer. You should be proud of yourself. And so you're going to flip it inside out, and then you're going to line up the middle with the front, the middle back with the front, because that's how you're going to wear your warmer. And now optional, you can get charms. I got these from Amazon. I just typed in junk charms, and then I just randomly placed my charms how I wanted them to go and look and what felt right. I removed anything that didn't feel right until I got my desired look. And now I will show you guys behind the scenes of how I attach my junk charms to my crochet leg warmers. I pray that you guys enjoyed the video. I pray that your leg warmers turned out cute. Please, if you do make it, tag me at Love Blair on Instagram, Etsy, Pinterest, Facebook. I would love to see your creations. You know, if you have anything that you want to say, please feel free to leave a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. All right, until next time, peace, be blessed, and don't let the negativity stress. All right, bye.